welcome back to your channel. Today we are back with the experience.
Experiments.
Now we are going to do the candy one and the pink one.
The candy one. So let's see what's it supposed to look like. What's it supposed to look like? Give me the box.
It's supposed to look like this.
Okay. All right. So today is just prep work. We'll have to start again later. So what you need to do, I've got the instructions. Okay. So put the box down. So you have to prepare the skewer. Okay. So take the yellow teaspoon and put some sugar on the paper towel.
Some sugar?
Yeah.
On the paper towel.
Okay. Put a little bit more maybe. Okay, now dip a skewer in the hot water. Okay, so we just boiled the water.
Skewer?
Skewer is the stick.
Okay.
So get it all wet. Okay, and roll it in the sugar to coat the surface. Roll it around, roll it around. As much sugar as you want. Okay, now do the same with the other one. So leave it there on the paper towel.
Take a lot of sugar.
All right, so now we have to let it dry for 6 hours. This sugar layer provides a surface for sugar crystals to grow in the later steps. So we have to let them dry for 6 hours.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are starting the part 3 of this science experiment.
Well, part 2 of the candy one.
Yeah. So we have to wait for 6 hours. Now we're starting the video. Now we're starting the next video of it.
Okay, tell me what you've got set up so far.
So we got 2 full cups of sugar.
Okay.
And we got food coloring.
Yep.
And we got hot water and what is it called?
A jar. It's a pickle jar.
A pickle jar.
Okay. So.
And we have these.
We're supposed to have clothespins, but that's the best we got.
Yeah.
All right, so pour the cup of water into the jar. Stop licking the sugar.
What?
Pour the cup of water into the jar. The cup of water. Yeah, be careful, it's hot.
A couple of it?
No, it's 1 cup of water. Pour it into the jar.
All of it?
Yes. Now pour the sugar in. Now I'm just sitting here thinking, hang on a second. Okay, so we picked a big jar, so now we have to put more sugar, more water in. So pour the 2nd cup of water in. Then add the sugar. 2 cups of
That's
sugar.
a lot of water.
We should be good now for our sticks. Take the spoon out. wow, this is super full now. All right, put your food coloring in.
Okay. And it's covered.
Because you keep touching the sugar.
That's all.
Do a big squeeze.
That
Okay.
was 2 drops.
Stir.
Okay.
We can add more if we have to.
Oh, this is looking delicious.
That looks delicious. Okay, stir slow though, so it doesn't spill over. All right. Place the prepared skewer into the glass container and hold it in place using the 2 clothes pegs. I'll show you a picture of this. But we don't have clothes pegs, so we're going to attempt it with the clips. All right, so our version. So drop them in. All right. Okay, so now what do we do?
I see. Oh, one's going.
Oh, it's not supposed to touch the bottom of the container. It's supposed to be about 3 centimeters away. So
It
hang
is.
on. We've MacGyvered the situation a bit, and I've got sugary blue water all over me now. So let's read what happens next. Leave. Oh no. Okay, MacGyver round 2. They're still fairly close to the bottom.
They're touching.
What if we... All right, well, we will figure something out, and now basically we have to leave it in a cold place away from strong light. Place a paper towel over the top to prevent dust from falling in the container. You should see sugar crystals forming on the skewer in about 1 day.
Guys, welcome back to your channel today. Remember the 2 videos that we did, the candy one? This video, it didn't work. It doesn't work. Did it not?
Do you think it's because they're touching, or maybe we should have only tried 1 stick at a time?
Well, guys, comment down below if you did this, and comment down below if you know why it's not working. So please subscribe and like this channel.